Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see this KROSS Girls 20 TSS Marvel bicycle, which is of pink color. See, this is purchased at offline store, and this bicycle, the same exact bicycle, is available on online also, both on Amazon and Flipkart. And the brand is KROSS. And I'll tell you the initial impressions about the material and the overall look, about the user satisfaction and everything. I'll show you at the end of the video. The only thing these guys fixed on the cycle is that bell, and they made all the screws tight and they filled up air in the tires. That's it, except that the cycle was already pre-assembled. And I also checked in Amazon description that assembly is required. If you purchase online, maybe some sort of assembly is required. Okay, yeah. And this is at the home. Once they got to the home, they removed all those covers, and the look and the material is the steel alloy. It is mentioned in the online. I checked the online details also before going back to the video. Okay, yes. Yeah, see here, it is like 7,500 in the online section, and the user got this for 7,300. The wheel size is 20 inches, and coming to the other details, see here, wheel size is 20, and the frame material is alloy material, alloy steel, suspension type rigid. And here I mentioned you already, right? Assemble required means they mention S on the Amazon site, and we'll check on the Flipkart site also. But Flipkart, the wheel size is 16, not the exact bicycle like this 20 TSS, but on the Flipkart it was like 16. It is like 16. Okay, maybe a lesser height bicycle. Okay, and this one, anyway, this is showing right now it is not available. Price not available, maybe. Yeah, see, on Amazon it's maybe available as of now. You need to check if you don't have the access to purchase at the offline stores. The user purchased this offline because they thought there would be a lot of assembly if they buy online, so they went to the offline store and purchased this. I'll show you how it is looking, the material and the comfort and everything. And the user expressed their feeling like the look and feel is awesome, and the build quality is pretty good, and the alloy material is hard and sturdy enough. Okay, yeah, maybe please do comment if you want a detailed review video on this bicycle. Maybe after using it for like 1 to 2 months, I'll be posting a review video on that. And this back support is of plastic, and that is also very good. And overall the user was really satisfied about the bicycle.